Hi mga kasaswang, this is your one and only Kachi and welcome back to my vlog.
So much has changed.
Nakaka-disappoint. Sobrang dami nangyari. I got caught up with life. Hindi ito tungkol sa views and likes. That made me put content creation on pause. Sobrang daming hadlang. It's been a while mga kasiswang. Actually, sobrang tagal na. 4 years to be exact. The last time you saw me here is I was on road trip to Tagaytay. And now, I'm finally back. So, fast forward today, so much has changed. But, one thing remains the same. Of course, my love for capturing and sharing moments. Andito pa rin ako, ready to share new stories with you. Now, I know some of you might wondering, bakit bagong channel? Well, funny story, I lost access to my old one. At first, medyo nakaka-disappoint, but instead of dwelling on what's lost, I realized why not start fresh? New channel, new stories, and new memories to create together. So, where have I been these past years? Actually, sobrang dami nangyari. I got caught up with life, responsibilities, work, and all those adulting things that made me put content creation on pause. There were times na gusto kong bumalik pero sobrang daming hadlang. Either I felt uninspired, too busy, or just unsure if people would still watch my content. Pero alam niyo kung ano yung bumalik sa akin recently. My love for capturing moments. I uploaded a vlog on Facebook about city life and that simple upload reminded me why I started in the first place. Hindi ito tungkol sa views and likes. It's about the joy of storytelling. Kaya ito ako ngayon, finally picking up where I left off. And yes, starting over is scary. Pero minsan, the best thing in life happen when we take that leap. Being a content creator has always been a part of me. Hindi lang to basta hobby. It's something that makes me happy. I love capturing life as it is. Yung raw, unfiltered, and relatable moment. It's a simple coffee run, a random kwento, or a special trip. I want to share it with you. I know I'm not the same person I was 4 years ago. I've grown, changed, and learned a lot. Pero one thing that hasn't changed is my love for sharing stories. And that's why I'm back. I want to create content that makes people feel something. Whether it's a joy or just a comforting feeling of watching someone who gets you. At the end of the day, I'm doing this because I love it. And if even just one person enjoys my content, that's already enough reason to keep going. So, ano nga bang abangan nyo sa channel na to? Explore more vlogs, city life, lifestyle, or maybe even a few surprises. I'll also be trying new things, maybe more on travel vlogs, product finds, lifestyle, or even random kwentos. If you have any video suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Gusto ko marinig yung mga thoughts nyo because this journey isn't just mine. It's ours. To those who've been with me since the beginning, thank you for your support. Even after all these years, thank you for sticking around. And to those who just found this channel, welcome po. I'm so excited to share this journey with you. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos ko. This is just the beginning and see you soon on my next vlog.